Good morning, my name is Daisy Asain. Magazine we read. We was to protect our planet. We must start whaling small but significant changes in our daily lives. One of the ways we to reduce environmental damage is to save energy. We was turn off the light and unlock the worst way we are no illusion them it everyone adopting this happy we who significantly decrease global energy consumption. Another way to contribute is to use sustainable transportation. In work, people close the right or use public transportation instead of driving the air we match. Reducing plastic where it is another important cause. I have started using reusable spoon water and water bottles to avoid single-use plastics. In work, people recycle the work whilst pollute in our houses and landfills. We can clench the packs what we can work toward a great future. If everyone made small changes, the world could become a much better place for future generations.